with these changes of season, we need to get to a state of balance and equilibrium. We're not so quick at doing it. So we often develop coughs and colds. So I want to give you a powerful tool that you should have in your kitchen. That is ginger. Ginger is an amazing herb. Do you ever get that irritating, itchy throat that even when you cough, you're not satisfied? The cough's still there. It's not like you're producing anything. And you're in public, there's people about, and coughing doesn't help. Keep this in your bag. Take a bite. Release the gingery juice and swallow the juice. Let it marinate your throat, and then it coats that area in your throat, and it releases this deep, soothing heat. You know, like that deep heat, that kind of mentholated stuff that you rub on your muscles when you've got muscle pain? It's that same feeling on your throat, and it quenches that itchy cough. It's really amazing. In fact, take the ginger at the start of your cough or cold. Take it every day, because ginger has so many amazing benefits. It's antiviral, anti-parasitic, antibacterial, antioxidant, which means that it strengthens your immune system and bolsters it. It also helps your digestion, which means that it helps with nausea and vomiting and indigestion and cramps and memory, and lowers your cholesterol, lowers your blood sugars levels, and also it improves your circulation. So it's good for the heart. So try this in a tea, grate it on your salad, or just take a bite like I do, because it's amazing. And especially at night when your throat is extra irritating, then put it by your bed, and then you can take a bite when you're in the middle of the night and you just can't stop coughing. Take a bite and let that gingery, juicy goodness soothe your throat.